The 2026 BMW X2 combines sporty elegance with cutting-edge technology, designed to turn heads wherever you go. Experience electric folding door mirrors for added convenience and adaptive LED headlights for enhanced nighttime visibility and safety, ensuring every drive is as effortless as it is exhilarating. Step inside to find sport seats for enhanced comfort and a luxury instrument panel for a sophisticated driving experience. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge BMW today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 BMW X2. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.